Amandalaga.
Down with Africans, down! Down with this name, down! Down with de Klerk, down! Down with this racist magistrate, down! Amanda! Away, two!
Thank you very much. I don't know what to do anymore. But that was not the law. That was racism speaking. Magistrate Oliver is a racist of note. And she must know that in her sleep, that she's a racist and she's possibly a member of AfriForum. That's why when you mention AfriForum, she can't hide her emotions. Yesterday, when SC Mugai Toby mentioned AfriForum, she jumped. But it was not Mugai Toby who was mentioning AfriForum. It was the state which wrote in its heads of argument about AfriForum. When he was responding what the state wrote, she said, don't bring AfriForum. And Mugai Toby said, I'm not bringing AfriForum. The state wrote AfriForum in their documents, and I'm responding to what they said. She said, let me read. By the way, she got those heads of arguments 2 months ago. She was not aware that by saying she wants to read inside court, she was confirming that she did not read the heads of arguments. She just entered court without knowing what is contained in the heads, in the arguments that the lawyers were putting before the courts.
Julius Malema has just been sentenced. Let's break down his sentencing and what this means for opposition politics in South Africa.
After careful consideration, and I can assure you I have done so, free of any interference, this judgment or sentence is the sentence of this court and this court alone. In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment. In respect of count 2, you are sentenced to a period of 2 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 4, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 5, you are sentenced to pay a fine of 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In terms of section 280, subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court orders that the sentence imposed in respect of counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 run concurrent with the sentence imposed in respect of count 1.
Now, Malema's defense had framed the firing of the firearm as a celebratory shot. However, the magistrate completely rejected this idea and said the following.
The conduct of the accused and the effect of his actions and the impact of the conviction on the accused combined all reflects, contrary to what is expected from our Constitution, the complete absence of accountability and breach of trust by the accused person before court.
Now, under South African law, if you are sentenced to more than 12 months imprisonment without the option of a fine, you automatically lose your seat to Parliament and you are barred from participating in public service for 5 years after your sentencing. As it's a question on most South Africans' minds on X at the moment is, will Malema be going to prison tomorrow? And the answer to that is no. And this is because before the sentencing, Malema had been very clear on that he's got 2 legal teams already on standby, ready to submit appeal papers should his sentencing go in a direction that he is not happy with.
In this regard, Mr. Malema, the following ruling is made with regards to the application. With regards to the decision with regards to conviction, this court abides by its decision as stated on record. This court has not had a change of heart and clearly stands firm on its decision to convict. Therefore, Leave to appeal in respect of conviction is not granted. I've not finished, please. However, with regards to sentence, after listening carefully to the address placed on record, in respect of sentence, there is always a possibility that another court may come to a different conclusion regarding sentence. Therefore, this court does not have any intention to stand in the way of such a possibility. Safe to say, will not stand in the way, and therefore leave to appeal sentence in this matter is granted.
Unfortunately for him, under South African law, an immediate appeal suspends the sentence, meaning that he won't go to prison while the appeal is still being heard. So the legal battle is actually only just beginning, as this is going to go to the High Court, and Malema has noted and said that if necessary, he's prepared to take it all the way up to the Constitutional Court. Like I said in the beginning of this video, Malema and the EFF have played a major role in opposition politics in this country. So the next couple of months and years to come are going to be very interesting.
The convener of the Youth Command. Amanda! Kawe! 2! Long live the EFF Youth Command! Long live! Long live the EFF Youth Command! Long live! Futek AfriForum! Futek! Futek AfriForum! Futek! Thank you, President. Cool. This is my wife. And then where's Raji? Kimu kise? Masa kise? To say something.
Amanda! Amanda! Long live President Julius Malema, long live! Long live President Julius Malema, long live! Thank you fighters for the support. Thank you.
And then this is Ratanam Malema.
Amanda! Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Long live the Commander-in-Chief Julius Malema, long live!
And everything from me, I've got triple what they took from me. So, I don't know why they're not getting tired. And they thought, no, let's leave him, he's going to die. He's overweight, I've lost weight. So I don't have a problem of gout or anything of that sort. They are trying all manner of things. And still I rise. Because they never gave birth to me. And no man or a woman who didn't give birth to me can determine my destination. My destination is in the hands of my ancestors. You fight with me, my ancestors will emerge. They have never failed me. That's why even today, when everybody thought it is done, my ancestors showed up and said, this one of ours, we are going back home with him. And we want to make sure that he returns home safe. So if you've gotten access to them, just tell them, please leave him alone. Because he's still going to emerge. When you finish him this side, he comes from the other side. I mean, you were demoralized and thought the EFF was dead when the sellouts were leaving the EFF. 2, 3, 4 people left. 700,000 joined the EFF after 3, 4 people left. They thought that those people formed the EFF. And those people say they formed the EFF because it was formed by you. Why didn't the EFF live with you if you formed it? Why is the EFF still alive after you left if you formed it? They did not form the EFF. The EFF was formed by the blood of the workers of Marikana. You. Thank you very much, and thank your families for us. Amandla! Amandla! FIFA, EFF, FIFA! Down with AfriForum, down! Down with Malan, down! Down with Verwoerd, down! Down with Botha, down! Down with de Klerk, down! Amandla! Amandla! Oh no, Makubi! Siyaya! Siyaya! No Makubi! Siyaya! Siyaya! No Mabese Tobolat! Besishaya, Besibopa, no mabese tubola, Besishaya, Besibopa, no magubi, Siyaya, Siyaya. No magubi, Siyaya, Siyaya. No mabese tubola, Besishaya, Besibopa. No mabese tubola. Besishaya, Besibopas. Who left? Who right? Yamasa. Who left? Kita. Kilame. Kiriwatawata. Samarumo. Samarumo rumo. Hasicha. Where were you when I'm sitting? Where were you when I'm dreaming? Sofa's kitchen, emoye. Sofa's kitchen, etati, kichi kichi kichima. Sipram konto alliance. Bonke laban ibakiti. Bonke laban ibakiti. Siltatile hilagiti. Siltatile hilagiti. Winnie Mandela, Mandela, Winnie Mandela, Umamawe, Peter Mukaba, Mukaba, Peter Mukaba, Ubabawe. Shoot to kill, Yamasa. Shoot to kill a man. Kill the poor, the farmer. Kill the poor, the farmer. I repeat, kill the poor, the farmer. Kill the poor, the farmer. Brr, pa, pa, brr, pa, pa. Attention.
Amanda! Amanda! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Amanda! Thank you very much, President. Fighters, what's going to happen? Lamaphoyisa sowasebenzisa today. So, the leadership, DOR, you take your position in front. We're going to walk back to our stadium so that we can get our transport and make sure that everyone is safe. Asinikezele amaphoyisa umsebenzi, akasebenzeli imali yawo. So we're walking back to the stadium. DOR, take your positions. CCT, go and lead from the front so that we are safely back at the stadium to arrange everything. Thank you very much. Amanda! Amanda!